Latoya, and this is my model Jack. And today we're going to talk and discuss male grooming. So Jack, tell me a little bit about like some of the things you do to prepare yourself for like a male grooming situation right before you go into like a casting or audition.
Well, I like to keep my skin nice and moisturized and clean before I go. Make sure I shower, have manicured toenails and fingernails obviously, and pretty much make sure I have my usual shampoo and conditioner in for my hair, just clean and down and straight how I want it.
Yeah, that's good. I like to also incorporate a few little things like eye drops, making sure your lips are nice and exfoliated and moisturized as well with like a chapstick or kind of like a lip balm or treatment. And also just making sure that your body is also hydrated with like a lotion or SPF, making sure you get your hands, your arms, your elbows, your knees, all the dry spots. So as you can see, Jack has an amazing head of hair. And I kind of want to get into the hair talk and discuss proper grooming for hair. How often do you wash your hair?
About every 2 to 3 days.
So you don't want to over wash your hair. That's a big thing. I think when men typically over wash their hair, it kind of dries the hair out a little bit, stripping the oils from your hair. And it also can cause like dry scalp. So if you notice you're getting any dry scalp, kick back on washing your hair so much. And another thing I wanted to discuss was product that you can put in your hair to kind of keep your hair looking good in between shampoos. So they have stuff like dry shampoo. A head of hair like this, you could put some like sea salt or texturizing spray. They even have a really good spray wax that you can spray in the hair too. And then even just rinsing your hair with water and then adding a little bit of conditioner and rinsing it again will really keep your hair looking healthy and hydrated. This one's multi-use, so it's like got multi-properties, so it's not only a dry shampoo, but it has like texturizing spray. And dry shampoos you can use closer towards like the top of the hair, you know. And I like to put mine in, and I like to let it sit for a little while. So, because sometimes it might have that like whitish overcast of like powder on the hair. But I'll do this to my hair first, and then I'll do my makeup, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, all the oils would have set into my hair already. So if you see that it's a little white, just try to massage it in. You can use a blow dryer to kind of like blow it in a little bit, but just let it sit in the hair, like let it kind of absorb, and it'll go away. Like I said, like if you were to go by the beach, like what it would kind of do to your hair. It's kind of like adding water with like salty water, like seawater. So it doesn't really have like, you can't say how it feels like there's something in my hair because it dries like nothing, and it smells really good. I could not live without this stuff. I use it on men, I use it on women, and it's just a light wax that is in spray form, and it smells really good. It has like more like a masculine smell to it for a spray, but I like it. I'm one of those weirdos that likes like men cologne, and I love the way like men stuff smell. Like I like the way a gas station smells and all that weird stuff.
Decent trucks.
Yeah, so like I put a little bit of wax in it, and like his curls kind of just hold a little bit without it being hairspray, and looks super good. So still talking about hair, but moving to the face. Facial hair for me is a personal preference. You know, I just keep it nice and groomed. I don't really like hair along the neck if you decide to grow a beard out. They have tools like this, which you can use in the ear, and you can also use it in the nose if you have a lot of like hair coming out of the nose. And also grooming your brows. I like to keep the brows on a boy and a male model very natural. I don't like to groom, I don't like to over tweeze. I like a hairy brow on a male model. So if somebody doesn't like it on set, the makeup artist can remove it for you, or groom it for you then. But I don't like to overly groom. If I do, I brush the brows upwards like this. And then if I were to see any really long hairs are out of place, then I would go in with the scissor and trim it. But he doesn't really have a problem with his brows being overruly. So I like a more natural brow for that. Filming, I had Jack wash his face. I gave him a really good mask, or nothing crazy. I like using Neutrogena and Andrell's products for men. I put a blackhead mask right here on his T-zone just to kind of help clear up any congestion that he might have. And then I also used to like to use an exfoliator just to kind of go in, and they have different kinds. They have masks that you can use. They have exfoliating wipe. Burt's Bees makes an exfoliating towel, like a little wipey that looks like a makeup wipe. And it will just help take off any oils or dirt and dead skin and just make your skin look as fresh as possible. These are good things to have, like if you play basketball or sports, you can, you know, rinse your face off and then wipe your face down with one of these, and it'll help really take the dirt and oil off for you. So next is moisturizer. This moisturizer is really nice. It's actually a SPF, but it's made with really natural ingredients like lavender and carrot seed. It's Andrell's, and I really like I said, Neutrogena products. I think they're really good. This one's a really nice hydrating, it's like a water gel formula, so it's not so lotiony. And then I also like the Body Shop, which is tea tree oil, and it's a mattifying lotion that you can use in the T-zone. You can put together a bag like this that has like nail clippers, eye drops, moisturizer, chapstick or lip treatment, and a brand new razor. You can always keep this in your car or your backpack and take this with you as a just in case, so you're prepping yourself so you look best. That's it. That's our male grooming for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much, Jack, for being such an awesome model.
And for more videos like this, like and subscribe below. And they have a lot of stuff for girls to make you look good.
I know, right?
Not for girls, but just stuff that only girls know about.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm here to try to educate.
Try to fix.
Break that stigma of like only girls can use hair products or only girls can use skin products. Like hair is hair and skin is skin. Okay.